Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Omega Hybrid Air Max. This paddle stood out as the most well-rounded, making it a solid choice for players of nearly any level. The paddle's carbon fiber face, foam-injected edges, and Pro Spin Plus surface offer a blend of touch, spin, and controlled power that impressed beginners and advanced players alike during testing. The paddle's overall shape has the largest sweet spot in our lineup, and it delivered. We thought it was super forgiving and had a decent spin, but it also felt consistent and stable across the face. The edgeless design and open throat cutout are built for faster swings, but it did catch our fingers occasionally during play. Still, for $90, this paddle brings premium features down to a more accessible price, making it the most versatile option. Number 2. Pickle Genius Pickleball Paddle. For players who want carbon fiber performance without spending a fortune, this Pickle Genius Pickleball Paddle is a standout in the budget category. Despite the price, it includes higher quality materials such as a raw carbon fiber face and a 13mm honeycomb core, features often found in models 2 or 3 times the price. The longer handle adds grip versatility, especially for players experimenting with two-handed backhands, and the gritty surface texture provides noticeably more spin than you'd expect at this level. It's a great paddle if you're just starting to get into pickleball. Although light in weight, it feels slightly heavier than some beginner paddles, but it's still easy to maneuver and surprisingly powerful on contact. If you're upgrading from a starter kit or just want solid construction at a low price, this paddle offers more than its price tag suggests. Number 3. Paddletek Bantam TKO-C 12.7. Designed in partnership with pro player Christian Alshan, the Paddletek Bantam TKO-C 12.7 is built for serious players, and it proves it on the court. Combining a raw carbon fiber face with a responsive 12.7mm core and slightly head-weighted build, this paddle felt dynamic, powerful, and surprisingly easy to control. Our most advanced tester called it very impressive, noting that he was able to put some wicked spin on it and immediately decided to buy one for himself. Several others praised the sweet spot and consistent feel across the face. It's not the lightest paddle in the bunch, but the added weight up top gave extra momentum to overheads and passing shots. At $250, it's definitely an investment, but if you're looking for a tour-level paddle that brings pro-level performance to your game, the TKO-C is as good as it gets. Number 4. Franklin T700 Carbon Fiber Paddle. If raw power is what you're after, Franklin's T700 carbon fiber paddle offers it in spades. Despite a few small critiques, we thought the grip felt a little cheap. It gave shots more control without taking away punch. We also appreciated the combination of spin and responsiveness. The paddle feels balanced and quick, so we didn't have to swing that hard to get it to go. The T700's gritty 45-degree carbon fiber surface added extra spin on serves and topspin shots, while the extended 5.7-inch handle gave players more room for two-handed backhands. If you're looking for a paddle that provides serious pop without sacrificing feel, the T700 hits with authority, and does so with precision.